In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a refund check from a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Whether you've issued a refund to a customer or received a refund from a vendor, it's essential to record such transactions accurately in your accounting software to keep your financial records in check. So, let's dive into the details of how you can seamlessly execute this task in QuickBooks Online. First and foremost, navigate to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, and you'll find a button labeled New. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a series of options for you. What we're looking for, in particular, is the Check option. Select this as it's integral to recording any kind of check transaction. Now comes the part where you need to select your payee. This is the individual or business you've decided to issue a refund to. Simply search for the customer's name in your payee list and select the appropriate entry. If this is a refund you have received, ensure you accurately select the vendor as your payee, fulfilling your role in the transaction. This step confirms whom this specific check is directed towards, making your record straightforward and precise. Following this, you need to decide on which bank account these funds will be drawn from. Typically, businesses use their checking account for such transactions. Verify the chosen account to prevent any mishaps in your financial reporting. It's always good to double-check the account details, as the accuracy here will save you significant hassle down the line. Next up, you'll encounter a section labeled Category Details. Here, you have the opportunity to specify an account category for this refund. It's common to have a category such as Refund Account set up within your system. This is where you offer clarity not just for this transaction, but for your overarching financial records. You also have the option to add a description here, perhaps something as simple as refund to customer for returned goods. Including a description ensures that anyone reviewing this record later will immediately understand its purpose, and, of course, input the amount being refunded. Accuracy here is key since it directly impacts your financial books. After you've diligently filled out each necessary field, feeling confident in your accuracy and thoroughness, gaze your eyes over to the Save and Close button. Pressing this will finalize your efforts, recording the transaction neatly within QuickBooks Online. And there you have it, a simple yet important process that keeps your financial data clean and accurate in QuickBooks Online. I hope this guide has demystified the task of recording a refund check from a vendor. Thank you for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.